Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a common car issue. Is your ABS light on your dashboard? Are you experiencing inconsistent braking? A faulty ABS wheel speed sensor might be the reason. Don't worry, replacing it yourself is a straightforward task. We'll walk you through each step of the process. You can save money and gain confidence in your DIY skills. Let's get started with what you'll need for this job. First, gather your tools and materials. You will definitely need a reliable jack and sturdy jack stands for safety. A lug wrench is essential for removing your wheel nuts. Have a socket set ready. A 10mm or 12mm socket is typically used for the sensor bolt, but check your car's specific requirements. A flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool can be helpful for prying clips or the old sensor. Wire cutters or snips might be needed if there are zip ties securing the old wiring. A wire brush and some brake cleaner are excellent for cleaning the mounting area. Most importantly, ensure you have the correct new ABS wheel speed sensor for your specific vehicle's make and model. Always double-check this part number before you begin any work. Now, let's talk about safety, which is paramount. Always work on a flat, stable surface. Wear protective gloves and safety glasses. Use jack stands to support your vehicle securely, never rely solely on the jack. If you feel more comfortable, you can disconnect your car's battery, although it's often not strictly necessary for this particular repair. Now, for the actual installation steps. Begin by parking your car on a level, firm surface. Engage the parking brake firmly. Loosen the lug nuts on the wheel where the faulty sensor is located, but do not remove them completely yet. Carefully use your jack to lift that corner of the vehicle. Place your jack stand securely under a strong point of the frame or chassis. Lower the vehicle onto the jack stand. Once it's stable, you can fully remove the lug nuts and then the wheel. Set the wheel aside in a safe place. Next, locate the old ABS wheel speed sensor. It is usually mounted directly into the wheel hub or steering knuckle. You will see a wire running from it. Follow this wire up into the wheel well until you find its wiring harness connector. Gently disconnect this connector. There might be clips or a release tab you need to press. Be careful not to break any plastic parts. Go back to the sensor itself. It's typically held in place by one small bolt. Use your socket wrench to remove this bolt. Once the bolt is out, carefully pull the old sensor straight out of its mounting hole. It might be a bit stuck due to dirt or corrosion. A slight wiggle or a gentle pry with a flathead screwdriver can help, but avoid damaging the mounting surface. Before installing the new sensor, take a moment to clean the mounting area thoroughly. Use your wire brush to remove any rust, dirt, or debris. A spray of brake cleaner will ensure a clean surface, which is crucial for a proper fit of the new sensor. Now, take your new ABS wheel speed sensor. Insert it into the clean mounting hole. It should slide in smoothly without much force. Reinstall the small bolt you removed earlier. Tighten it snugly, but be careful not to over-tighten it, as it's a small bolt. Next, route the new sensor's wire along the same path as the old one. Secure it with any existing clips or new zip ties to prevent it from rubbing against moving parts. Plug the wiring harness connector back together. Make sure it clicks into place, confirming a secure electrical connection. Once the new sensor is installed and connected, reinstall the wheel onto the hub. Hand tighten the lug nuts. Raise the vehicle slightly off the jack stand. Remove the jack stand from underneath the car. Carefully lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Now, fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure and prevents the wheel from becoming loose. Double-check that all your connections are secure and that the wiring is properly routed. Finally, start your car. Drive it slowly for a short distance. The ABS light on your dashboard should turn off after a few seconds or minutes. If it doesn't, you might need to drive a bit further or clear any stored fault codes using an OBD2 scanner. We hope this guide helps you successfully replace your ABS wheel speed sensor. Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you found this information useful, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful car repair tips and maintenance guides. Your support helps us create more valuable content like this. Stay safe out there, and happy wrenching!